was known for her laughter that tinkled like wind chimes and her heart as warm as a summer's day. Every morning, she would flit through the crystal meadows and sprinkle sunshine dust over the sleeping flowers to wake them up. The flowers would stretch their petals, yawning, as they welcomed the sun's soft embrace. One bright morning, as Penelope soared high above the meadows, she noticed something peculiar. The usually radiant glow mist river had lost its sparkle. Instead of its usual shimmering surface, the water looked dull and murky. Concerned, Penelope fluttered down to see what was amiss. As Penelope landed by the riverbank, she was greeted by a somber-looking frog named Felix. "Hello, Felix," Penelope chirped. "Whatever has happened to the glow mist river?" Felix frowned, his white belly glistening in the sun. "Oh, Penelope, it's been like this for days. The river lost its shine, and nobody knows why," he cried sadly. Determined to help, Penelope fluttered her wings with determination. "Don't you worry, Felix. I'll find a way to bring the sparkle back." With that, Penelope flew to the Council of Elders, where wise owls and ancient trees gathered to solve the land's troubles. She explained the situation with enthusiasm, her wings shimmering as she spoke. The elders listened intently, nodding with understanding. "It seems a shadow has fallen over the river," Elder Oak explained solemnly. "Perhaps someone needs to restore its light." Penelope clapped her tiny hands, an idea igniting in her mind. She would gather the sparkle stones from the Glitter Caverns located within the Whispering Woods. They were known to spread beams of magic and might just do the trick. Without wasting a moment, Penelope set off towards the Whispering Woods. The journey wasn't easy, with thick vines and rusty twigs blocking her path. However, Penelope's spirit was as indomitable as the sun itself. She whizzed and wove through the forest, laughter resounding amidst the shadowy branches. Finally, she reached the Glitter Caverns, where crystals glimmered like stars. She collected the sparkle stones, careful not to lose a single one. Back at the glow mist river, curious creatures gathered around, whispering hopefully. Penelope tossed the sparkle stones into the river, and they immediately began to twinkle beneath the surface. Slowly, the river shimmered to life, the sunlight bouncing off its surface dazzlingly. Cheers erupted as everyone celebrated. The river was alive again. Felix danced a happy jig, thanking Penelope profusely. "You did it. The glow mist river is back to its sparkling self." Penelope beamed with pride, knowing she made a difference. "Remember," she said, her voice as gentle as the morning breeze, "a little sparkle can change everything." And from that day on, the glow mist river flowed with even more brilliance, thanks to the Sun Fairy who saw a problem, took action, and made her world shine a little brighter. In the heart of the land of Luminara, the tale of Penelope's sparkle of initiative sparkled along with the dawn, inspiring all to see a problem, take action, and shine bright in their special ways. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!